Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the JavaScript basics of JavaScript split concept. Here I take one example like let email ID. Here I am creating email ID and here I put I am here trying to create one email ID email.com. This is a string. Okay, I have created one string I have created one variable using let and initialize using john@gmail.com. Here what our need is, we need to show the output my name is John. This output we need. Okay, this we need to print in console. Here I will tell how to do this. Let output. Here I will just take that email ID dot split. I'm using split here, and inside I put a string. We need to separate that, right? By at we will separate this. Okay, here I will show you the output what is coming. Okay, control log of output. I am just trying to control that. In that we have separated the string using at. Okay, before at and after that we have separated before at John and after that gmail.com. This is we have get in this first string we need, so I just to put this index 0 so that we can get that John only. Okay, I'll create a console. I will run here John only we will get, we are coming here. Okay, so just I'm control this. Let result variable I will create. Here I am using little template literals. Here what output we need, this output we need, right? This output I will put here. Here I will just eliminate this, and using this here I am just put the output. Here put the output. Here I am just printing the result, so that here I will check here. Yeah, our requirement, our output is came. My name is John. Here what our requirement is, they will give one email ID. In that we need to separate this name only, and we need to show in show my name is that name we need to show here. So we used that split operator, and it split that into by split by at, and after that will come output as the array form. In that we was taken the first array, so the first name was come, that is stored in output. Here using template literals we have you showed the output and control the result, so we are getting the correct output. So this is split method. Here we can use this split method like that. Depend upon our requirement, we will change this inside symbol, numbers, characters. Using that we can split anything in JavaScript, and we can use that for our requirement. I hope you guys you understand the JavaScript split concept. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. Thank you.